we've learned about fractions, a lot of fractions. And we've learned how to compare them, how to add and subtract them, and how to do the same thing with different denominators and numerators. So to start today's video, I'm going to show you a few different types of fractions. Let's look at these yellow fractions first. We call these ones proper fractions. Can you guess why? Well, the reason that we call these proper fractions is because their numerators are always less than their denominators. But then another fraction enters the scene, the red one, this red one. And something seems off about this one. The numerator is greater than the denominator. We call these improper fractions. These types of fractions have a numerator that is equal to or greater than the denominator. So how do we make these improper fractions proper again? Well, that's where this green fraction comes in. This is a mixed number. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what a mixed number is, how to convert from improper fractions to a mixed number, and how to do vice versa. So let's dive right in. So first of all, what's a mixed number? Well, I have the mixed number from the intro for us to dissect. Now, first of all, what does this 2 mean? The one that I just circled. Well, these are the number of wholes, which means that, for example, let's say you have one pizza, but you ate the entire pizza. You're gonna want more pizza, right? So you get another pizza. That's 2 whole pizzas. But then after that, you get a little bit hungry, but you're not hungry enough for one whole pizza. So you ask for another pizza, but you only eat 1 out of the 2 slices it's cut into. So this is the fraction part of the mixed number, which is why it's called a mixed number, because you have a whole and you have a fraction mixed together. It's like saying you ate 2.5 pizzas, or you ate 2.5 chocolate bars, or whatever. So that's what a mixed number is. Now that we've learned what a mixed number is, now I'm going to show you how to convert an improper fraction, like this one, into a mixed number. So, since this fraction's numerator is greater than its denominator, that means that it has more than one whole in it. So let's figure out how many wholes it does have. So let's put this in terms of pizza. We have a bunch of pizzas. We have a bunch of pizzas. And they're all divided into 2 pieces. Because remember, the denominator is always the number of pieces that a whole has to have. So you want to eat 11 pieces because you're hungry. So what you do is that you eat the first pizza. Now the first pizza has 2 slices. So you have eaten 1 whole pizza, and you have 11 minus 2, 9 slices left to eat. You eat the second pizza. You have eaten 2 whole pizzas, and now you have 9 minus 2, 7 slices to eat. And you keep doing the same thing. Third pizza, 3 whole pizzas, 7 minus 2, 5 more pizzas to eat. Fourth pizza, 4, you eat this one, you have 5 minus 2, 3 more slices to eat, and you do this with the last one too, so you've eaten 5 whole pizzas, and you now have 3 minus 2, one more slice to eat. So you have eaten 5 whole slices. But you still have 1 slice left to eat. So you look for your 6th pizza. But you can't eat the entire pizza because this pizza has 2 slices, but you only want to eat 1. This is where the fraction part of the mixed number comes in. You eat only 1 slice. And what fraction of that pizza is that? It is 1/2. So we just converted this improper fraction here into a mixed number. Now, an easier way to do this is by skipping all this subtracting stuff, because this is basically like dividing. Let me show you how. So let's say you have the same fraction again. You're going to find the number that's less than this and closest to it, which is divisible by this number. Now, divisible means that if you divide a number by another number, then you're going to get a number and not a fraction. So, is 11 divisible by 2? Well, let's see. 2 times 5 is 10, but 2 times 6 is 12, so this is not divisible. Let's look at 10 because it's the number less than 11, and it's even. Remember, 2 times 5 is 10. So that means that 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is divisible. And it's the closest number to 11. So now we have 5 wholes. And how many slices of pizza do we have left to eat? We have 11 minus 10, 1 slice of pizza to eat. So we eat 1 out of the 2 slices of pizza for the 6th pizza. And look, we got the same answer here too. Because subtracting repeatedly is like dividing. It's the same thing as multiplying, because multiplying is just adding repeatedly, but dividing is subtracting repeatedly. So that's why you get the same result both times. Okay, so we've learned what a mixed number is and how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now we're going to learn the opposite. We're going to learn how to convert a mixed number back into an improper fraction. So what we're going to do here is we have this mixed number here, 4 wholes, and 1/4 is the fraction, and 4 is the wholes. So, since we have 4 whole pizzas, because this is the amount of whole pizzas we ate, and each pizza had 4 slices, that means that when you ate those 4 pizzas, you ate a total of 4 times 4, 16 pieces of pizza. But what about this one piece here? You ate that one piece too. You didn't just leave that behind. So you ate 16 plus 1, 17 pieces of pizza, which means that your improper fraction is 17/4. And an easy way to remember this trick is to, first of all, always keep the denominator the same, unless you're multiplying or dividing it. And you multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole. You multiply these two, and you get 16. Now you take that result and you add it to the numerator of the mixed numbers fraction, and you're going to get 17. So now That's going to be your new numerator for your improper fraction. Because remember, we're just doing the same thing that we did in the section previous to this, but in reverse. Well, we've reached the end of this video. I hope this made mixed numbers and improper fractions easier. If you liked this video, consider liking and or subscribing. It would really help me. See you in the next video.